Well, let's just look at these numbers. And first, I want to get a reaction in from Sanjay Jha before I get in Susie Ben Shah. Sanjay Jha, whichever poll you look at, the projections for the NDA alliance are higher than the projections for Congress, and most polls. And if you look at the poll numbers, they're looking at a prediction and a projection of the NDA more likely to form government than the India Alliance, Maha Vikas Aghadi, call it what you will.
Navika, I have 2 points to make on your question. The first one is on Marathwada. If JVC is conceding that the India Alliance, particularly the Congress, is doing well in Marathwada, then let me tell you, Marathas are approximately 33 to 34% of the population, of the voting population in Maharashtra. And they are not concentrated only in Marathwada. In fact, if you do a biopsy across the state, and GVA will probably agree with me here for a change, the Marathas are influential voters in approximately 150 constituencies, which means the assumption that some people are making on your program that Manoj Jarange Patil is an inconsequential factor is completely misplaced, because I'm aware of how serious that issue has been for Devendra Fadnavis. So I do feel that the election results are going to be much closer, and Susie Ben is there, my ex-friend from the Congress party. She will agree with me here that this election is complicated, not because of any reason but one. The NCP and Shiv Sena are split. There are disaffected people who want to fight on their own. Plus, the BJP is putting up rebel candidates in some, and the opposition is doing some with the BJP, which is like, all is fair in love and war. It's a complicated election. Therefore, to predict the winner in seats is going to be extremely difficult.
Yes,
but I do feel
there's one thing I agree, that this is a complicated election, difficult to project. But one thing I thought was very simple. Once a friend forever. But आपने Susie Ben Shah को disown ही कर दिया. And Susie Ben Shah, would you want to respond to Sanjay Jha?
Friendship lasts forever. So I continue to read your teleprompter as well. Of course, I have my difference of opinion, but that remains. But good evening, and thank you for having me on my show, on your show, Navika. It's always a pleasure. I just want to say this, that learning from the Lok Sabha election, we realized it was a setback, but the difference of seat was only 27. Let us understand that. We, in last 4 months, worked so very hard with hands on the ground that we have surpassed the 27 number. Look at our Ladki Bahan Yojana and all our welfare schemes. What is our basic fundamental guiding principle of this government? Justice for all, appeasement to none, which has gone loud and clear. And the second point being Vikas, Vikas and Vikas. So we have a trailblazer in our Chief Minister Eknath Raoji Shinde. He is the most popular Maratha leader and now the CM. And therefore the people have realized that these Mahayuti have the political will to deliver on welfare, on social justice. So therefore here we are, you can see the numbers, and mark my words, Mr. Jha, we are a party on the ground, we are a cadre, our party believes in cadre. So yes, we had opposition, I'm not running away from it. We had rebel leaders, but you see who's managed it well. It is the Mahayuti. We respect the leadership. It is the leadership, it is the Adesh of the party. Unlike the Congress party, who is ekdam leader-centric. The focus is not on the party. Here the focus is very much on the party. Ajit Dada, whether it be Devendra Fadnavis ji, whether it be the CM, Eknath Raoji Shinde, our Pramukh Neta, have worked hand in hand and have ensured victory. You see 23rd, Mr. Jha, Haryana se...
Susie Ben Shah, just want to interrupt you a minute.